So we did 1.1. Now we're on to 1.1.2. 1.1.2. The focus they're going to see here is how does it grow, okay? When things grow, they either get bigger or they get smaller, okay? So what we're going to do is, this is figure 1. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, if this has 7, and this has 10, and this has 13, what do you think is going to be right there? What number do you think that's going to be? Well, what they're really asking is, how does the pattern grow? Okay, I want to talk about the word pattern. You're going to hear me say that a million times. Pattern is something that happens again and again and again and again. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. Minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, minus 5. Okay? So if you look, 7, 10, plus 3, plus 3. That is your pattern. So then that means I would go plus 3. And figure 4 would be 16. And then how would I get figure 5? Plus 3. And that would be 19. Okay. Now the difference is, this time they're saying how much in figure 0. So let's look. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That means right here would be figure 0. How many do you think? Let's look. So what if I do the pattern? How about plus 3? What do you guys think? Good job or bad job? No, 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 no. This way is plus 3. So that means this way would have to be minus 3, which would give you 4. Because look, if I go like this, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3. Okay? Next thing they want you to do is create a table. A table is something like this. X, Y. Okay? This is a table. And what I want you to see is figure 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then if you look here, the 0 is 4. The 1 is 7. The 2 is 10. 3 is 13. And the 4 is 16. And the 5 is 19. Where I have the 4, same. And then I want to show my pattern. Plus 3, plus 3. Last thing they want is an equation. When you see an equation, y equals. So when you see an equation, y equals. And what you're going to do is you take the pattern, x plus 4. Okay? So let's use what we learned from this one to help us with this one. Okay, do you remember what the first thing we did is? We counted. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, if this is 3, and this is 5, and this is 7, what do you think is going to be right here? And some of you go, I know what it is. Well, some of you go, oh, it's 9. Well, how do you know it's 9? Because you're looking at how the pattern grows. Okay? So I'm going to change this question here. We're going to cross this off because I don't care about you sketching it. But they want to know how many tiles will there be in figure 0. Every time I do figure 0, I'm always going to use my blue highlighter. So this is figure 4. This is figure 3. This is figure 2. This is figure 1. Right here will be figure 0. So if this is 9, 7, 5, 3. Instead of adding 2, I minus 2, and it's 1. So that means now there will be 1 tile in figure 0. Now, what if I had you do a table? So everybody write this down, please. Let's see. What's the first thing I start with? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Figure 0 is 1. Figure 1 is 3. 2 is 5. 3 is 7. 4 is 9. I want you to do me a favor and also everybody write this down. Right? And I want an equation also. I want an equation. So if you look over here, whenever we had equation, what did I start with? Let me do a little line here. I started with y equals. And then let's see. I started with my pink pattern. So I'm going to start with my pink pattern. And then what came next? X. And then I had my figure 0. I have my figure 0. Perfect. Okay, let's do the next one. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you guess what you think this will be? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Does anybody know what the next number would be? Well, let's see what the pattern is. Plus 3, plus 3. So plus 3, boom, 15. Okay, so what is the growth pattern? Plus 3. What is figure 0? So if this is 4, this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, boom, figure 0 will be here. 15, 12, 9, 6. Anybody know what goes here? Good, 3. So that's 3. Now they want an equation. The camera's on. So my equation, how do I start with equations? Y equals. What comes first? Y equals pink. Ah, there's my pink. Then X, and then plus my blue. Plus my blue. Now they want figure 8. So to get figure 8, I'm going to use the table. Anybody know what number I start with? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means figure 8. Look at it right there. Okay? So let's see. 0, 3, 1, 6, 2, 9, 3, 12, 4, 15. Well, how do I get this one? Ah, I use the pattern. Plus 3, plus 3. So 15 plus 3, 18. Plus 3, 21. Plus 3, 24. Plus 3, 27. So let me show. Here's my blue. There's my pink. All right, let's go to the next page. Okay, let's go to solving. So if we solve for x, we have to remember that x is on the left and the number is on the right, and there's the equals. So it's like x equals 2, x number, x equals -3, y equals 11. Every single time, look at this, the x is on the left, x, or y, whatever, and the number is on the right, 2, -3, 11, and every single time, the equal sign is in the middle. Okay? So here we are. We've got this equal sign. Let me zoom in that a little bit, and then we can see. So, x is on the left. Good. But the number should be on the right. Now, when I move it, I need to do the opposite. The opposite of plus is minus, and the opposite of minus is plus. Let me put that in here. Okay. So if this is plus 3, the opposite is minus 3. Bye-bye. X equals 5. X on the left, number on the right, equals in the middle. Miss Rifkin's happy. Done. All right, let's look at this one. We've got the equal sign. Now, if we look here, we have X. Now, I know this has to move, but before it moves, I need to look over here. Look at this. Same, same. Let me zoom that in a little bit. So if I look here, so if I cover this, same, same, 5x. And then I have here, same, same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, -4. So I have to make it pretty. Now this side is pretty. This side is pretty. So I'm going to rewrite 6x minus 7. And then the line is in the middle. Okay, so remember, I want x on the left. Good. That means this has to move over there. And that means this has to move over there. So, plus 7, always do the opposite. And then positive 5x minus 5x. But by x equals -4 plus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Boom. 3. X on the left, number on the right. Miss Rifkin's happy. Let's look at this one. Okay, draw my line. All right, so let's look at this one. X on the left, good. Number on the right, move it over. -5 minus 5. 4x equals 84. The last step I always need to do, divide. X equals 8 divide 4, 2. 4 divide 4, 1. Now Miss Rifkin is happy. Number on the left, letter on the right. Okay, let's do the next one. Draw my line. This is good, but this has to move, and this has to move. Plus 9 minus 8x. Wait a minute. Bye-bye, bye-bye. I'm left with 0. Bye-bye, 19. Where's x? So Miss Rifkin's not happy. There's no x. No solution. All right. Okay, more review. This is all review for you, okay? So plug in. -3 times -4 squared plus 9. So, -4 times -4, 16 times -3. Calculator. Calculator. Done. Take this, plug it in here. That means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3, 9 times 3, 27. Take the 2, plug it in. This is all review. 8 times 2, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. What times what is 25? 5. Let's go to the next one. Take the 2, plug it in. You always need to make sure you're doing the exponent first. The exponent first. So I come over here. 4 times 4, 16 times 3, 48. Okay, I have 30 seconds to go over your homework. This, same as this. You've done this. This is this up here. This is this right here. You've done this. This is this. Same. This is input. Okay, so input, this is the same as this right here. Go to 1.1.1.